I'm Laurie. I'm one of the physiotherapists here at Proactive Health. What we really want to get out there as a message is that a lot of men come to us. Up to a third of my caseload is men who are coming to me with a variety of concerns. Unfortunately, a lot of them have really struggled with them, sometimes for years. I've had men come in with decades of pain, and sometimes they sit and they can hardly stay seated in a chair because they're in so much discomfort. Among those issues are nerve issues in and around the pelvis. The obturator nerve comes in and down the inside of the thigh. The pudendal nerve that I'll talk about in a different video is another potential source of pain. Men come in with issues before and after prostate surgery, with prostatitis, which is terribly painful and may be related to an infection. Always worth seeing your doc or your nurse practitioner before you come in to see us, but sometimes working on the connective tissue around the prostate can be really helpful in relieving some of those symptoms. Even for fellows who are a little bit older and who are up in the night quite often, working around the prostate and just relieving some of the vascular stagnation. It's almost a little bit of bogginess, too much fluid in and around it can be helpful for those night symptoms. Pain and bladder are probably the two biggest ones, but we do certainly see both men and women with a fair bit of constipation, issues with anal fissures, hemorrhoids, all those sorts of things. In particular, my background is musculoskeletal physiotherapy, and I've now added pelvic health to that, and so I see it particularly as a chain all the way from the foot through to the mid-back. And so sometimes I see sports-related injuries that just haven't healed and something's going on in the pelvis that's related to the hip or knee or foot. So that's a brief overview of what men come to see us with. But ask your doctor if you think that pelvic physiotherapy might be helpful to you. We'd be happy to have a look and give you some advice.